Good morning and welcome to English for Academic and Professional Purposes class. Movies are watched by millions of people each day all around the world, and they add something special and excitement to our lives. Of course, all people have different opinions of movies, so the rates can either be high or low. In this video, we are going to talk about how to write movie review as academic writing assignment. What is movie review? A movie review is the other term for film review. It is a type of review that provides a short description of a film and includes the reviewer's opinion about it. It can be formal or informal. When talking about an academic writing assignment, a scholarly film review should definitely use a formal language. Another definition of a movie review is that it involves analysis, research, and reporting the writer's views in a structured way. These are some ways on how to write a movie review. First, watch the movie. Before you can review any film, you must watch it first. You cannot review a motion picture you have not watched. Therefore, for success of your review, watch the film at least twice. It is advisable to watch the film twice to look after the important scenes that you missed. Next is research the movie. In your research, you should find out who the filmmaker is. The filmmaker is also called as the director. Aside from that, also determine what prompted the making of the movie, the cast and their characterization, historical events that lead to the movie, location, plot, and so on. You may also search if the movie was adapted or based on a book, because there are some movies which are merely based on the books or novels such as Harry Potter and Divergent. Next is draft the review outline. Draft an outline with which you will write a review. The overview will help you organize your review concisely and logically. The outline is more like the skeleton frame on which the whole study will stand. A good draft will yield a perfect report, and the reverse is always true. This is an example of an outline for a movie review. After you have made your outline, it's now your turn to analyze the movie. Critically evaluate the film from the beginning to the end, noting every detail. While analyzing, if you observe any confusing part, rewatch to grasp the idea portrayed there fully. After you fully understand it, then you are set to write the movie review. Finally, augment your review with examples. Augment means add something. While watching the movie, your observations should be supported with examples. And that is, for example, mention some scenes that took place. If the plot is faulty, mention it but state examples to support that claim. You can also mention poorly developed characters evident in the story or in the movie itself. Everything you observe in the film must be noted. Examples of notables include locations, faulty or beautiful dialogues, quotes that appeal to you, poorly made speeches, editing errors, and so on. Do take note that it is not enough to make general statements about how awesome or awful the movie is. You must support your claim with evidence in the film. That is why it is called a movie review and not opinion sampling interview about the movie. Again, those are some ways on how you can write your movie review. First, watch the movie. Next, research the movie. Draft the review outline. Then analyze the movie. And lastly, augment your review with examples.